What's up, guys? This is Das Auto Media, and this is me taking suspension off of a parts car I have purchased and putting it on a Mark III Jetta. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to watch to the end if you want to hear what the exhaust sounds like. What's up, guys? We're headed to Raven's house because I fucking don't have a spring compressor and this motherfucker is coming in clutch, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we'll get the springs put on, but maybe not, who knows? Until next time. Alright, we got the tool. Raven's sipping on the lack of sleep. Straight twitch it out of his dumb piece, boys. I'm scared. I can't see it! Oh my god. Look at that truck. We almost totaled them. We need to pay attention. Get off the fucking road! This house is nice.
No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. You ain't stingy, split your tablets with me. You don't flinch when camera flashing. Not fake laid back, no, it's natural. And I think you made for the life I lead. I'm not fake patient, I don't fake sick. That kind of coffin don't need leave. Rest in peace, got this lust for life in me. Horny for the game. First they kiss, then they bite soft.